Okay, guys, fine. So we'll get into the session right now. Our today's session's topic is going to be logarithms. And now to begin with, when it comes to logarithms, we would have seen a lot of rules. Okay, we would have seen we would have calculated. We would have solved some calculations using log and antlog, using logbook and all that. Everything's fine. But the problem with the logarithm is most of us do not understand how this particular logarithm concept works. For example, let's say if I ask you what is log 125 to the base 5, what is the value of it? Most of us would not know. Sir, there is no logbook. How do we say the log values? But actually, guys, you can find out the log 125 to the base 5 on your own. You don't need a logbook to do that. Okay, for this question, I'm not telling you for all, but for this one. For example, if I ask you to find out log of 16 to the base of 2 or something, okay, and then log of uh, 343 to the base 7, you can do this on your own. How do I do it? So listen carefully. Always remember this. What is this particular logarithm? Logarithm is actually the inverse of your opposite of your exponential. For example, listen carefully. Let's say if I say uh, 4 power 4 square is equal to 16. How do I represent this in terms of log? Log of 16 to the base 4 is equal to 2. So this is the log value. Okay. So for example, if the question is log 16 to the base 4 is what? So take this base value. Power what number gives me this answer? Okay, if you take this one, base is 5. 5 power what number gives me 125 guys? Can I say 5 cube is 125? So my answer is 3. That's all. So this is the log value of this one. Clear? Similarly, take this question. Log 16 to the base 2 is equal to what? That's the question. Okay, 2 power what value gives me 16 guys? 2 power what value gives me 16? Come on, tell me fast. Very good, yes. So my answer is 4. Similarly, can you guys tell me what will be the answer here? Very good, yes. Super guys. Deepthi, Nitesh and Harivardhani. Very good, Radha. Yes, guys. So here, the answer would be 3. So from now on, you guys can find out the log values on your own. Not exactly, but at least to an extent. Say, for example, if my question is log of 130 to the base 5 or something, you can say for sure that the value would be between 3 and 4. Because 5 cube is 125, 5 power 4 is 625. So the value will be between 3 and 4 somewhere. Okay, done. And apart from this, there are certain rules which are supposed to be very, very clear with. For example, the first rule, the log of 1. No matter what the base value is, log of 1 is always 0. And why is that so? Log of 1 to the base any number, let's say for example 7, it's 0. How is that so? Because see, take any number, only if you raise it to the power of 0, the value is 1. 6 power 0 is 1, 7 power 0 is 1, 12 power 0 is 1. So that's why if you're taking log 1 value, no matter what the base is, it is always 0. Okay, excellent. Now moving on to the next one. Here it says, yeah, very good. Log of 10 to the base of same number will always be 1. Log of any number to the base of same number is always 1. Why is that so? For example, 10 per 1 only will give you 10. Clear? And these two are some basic formulas which we all obviously know. Log of product of the two numbers. Let's say log of A into B is equal to log A plus log B. Log of A by B is equal to log A minus log B. This is something which we know. And apart from this, this is one more common rule which we should know, which you should obviously know by now. Let's say, for example, log of 7 square is equal to 2 into log 7. 2 into log 7. So this is one thing. And this is probably something which most of you guys might not be aware of. So please do get to know this by now. Let's say, for example, in a question, sometimes they'll tell you log of 2 to the base 10 is equal to some number. They'll give you the question of log of 3 to the base 10 is equal to some value. They will ask you to find out log of 2 to the base of 3. They'll ask you to find out this value. So you just told me to find out log of 2 to the base 3, but I know the value only for log of 2 to the base 10. What do I do then? So in this case, this value can be written as log 2 to the base 10 divided by log 3 to the base 10. Not necessarily 10, any number, any common base. See, log a to the base b is equal to log a to the base c divided by log b to the base c. This base should be common. So you know these values here, substituted, you'll get the answer. Okay, done then. And then, so here are the other formulas which you're supposed to be aware of. And there are certain formulas which are not listed here. For example, listen carefully. Log of a to the base b will always be equal to 1 by log of b to the base a. 1 by log of b to the base a. Clear? Okay, guys, I'll give you guys a minute. Please do copy down all these rules. Okay, once you are done, please do let me know in the chat box. We'll move on to the next concepts. Yeah, guys, copy done. Please do let me know if you guys are done. Excellent. Superb, guys. Excellent. Superb, guys. Now, moving on to the next concept. So, before getting to the question, there are other concepts which you're supposed to be aware of. Let's say, for example, can you guys tell me what is the value of 2 power 10, guys? What is the value of 2 power 10? Find out the value of 2 power 10 and tell me, guys. Very good, Dhanush and Harivardhani. Superb, guys. So it is 1024. Okay. Now, so, and if I ask you to find out 2 per 100, obviously it is going to be difficult. So I'm not going to ask you guys to do that, but instead you might have questions where they'll ask you to find out number of digits. Number of digits in this value. I don't want 2 per 100's value because that is obviously going to be a very big number. Okay. So instead, just tell me how many digits will be there here. For example, if I take 2 per 10, how many digits are there here? So 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 digits. Similarly, just find out how many digits will be there here and tell me. That is the question. Okay. How many digits will be there? How do I do this, sir? So this is where you should understand one thing. This is where your logarithm concept helps you. So all you need to do is find out the log value. The log of 2 part 10. So can I say this is equal to 10 into log 2? How is that so? Because if it is in the power, I can bring it to the front. These are basic rules of log. Correct. Now, what is the value of log 2? Guys, you should remember log 2, log 3, log 5, log 7 and all that. Log 2's value is 0.3010. 0.3010. Because see, very rarely do they give us the values of log 2, log 3 and all. Okay. So for example, if you are targeting companies like your TCS or Infosys, okay, there very rarely they'll give you the values. Okay. But in companies like your CTOs, Wipro, Accenture, more often they'll give you the values. But it's better to know the values ourselves. Okay, fine. Now, if you find out the log value, so 10 into this one, so I'll get 3.010. So once you're done with finding out the log value, all you need to do is take this part, which means the part which comes in front of the decimal point, okay, and add 1 to it, which means 4 digits. Clear, people? Similarly, can you guys find out how many digits are there in 2 per 100? Find out how many digits are there in 2 per 100, guys. Very good, Harivardhani. Superb. Very good, Nitya Gilani. Excellent, guys. So, guys, listen, what did I tell you? You are supposed to take the log. So, log of 2 per 100, which would give me 100 log 2. So, what would I get? 100 into 0.3010, which would be 30.10. So, once this is done, what did I tell you? You should take the front part that I have before the decimal point, add 1 to it, which means there are 31 digits. Clear, people? Excellent, then. Superb. Okay, so here's our next question now. Okay, guys. Find the number of digits in 2 per 10. We already know 2 per 10's value itself we know, which is 1024. Okay, so there are 4 digits here, but that is fine. I'm going to ask you guys a different question here. Let's say, for example, let's say 2 per 30. How many digits? Find the number of digits in 2 per 30's value. Come on, guys, do it. Is it 9 or 91? Think carefully. Guys, 2 per 30. So it would be 30 log 2. Correct? So 30 into 0.3010. Multiply these two and tell me what is the answer that you guys get. Very good, Nitya Kalyani and Harita. Okay. So once I multiply these two, what would I get, guys? First, if I multiply just 10, so I can write this as 3 into 3.010. And if I multiply 3 now, what will I get? 9.030. So this is the value. Now take the front part. What is the front part? 9. Add 1 to it, which means there are 10 digits. Guys, are you all clear with this question now? Please tell me if you guys are clear. Super. Okay, guys. And next question, come on, guys. Try this question on your own. I'll give you guys a minute and then we'll discuss. Okay, guys. So listen here. Very good, Harivardhani. Excellent. Okay, guys. So let's understand this question together. First of all, this is of the format of log of A plus log of B. So I know according to the log of A plus log of B can be written as log of AB. So this part, the left hand side can be written as log of x plus 2 into x minus 2, which is equal to log 12. So I can cancel off this log. And if I look at it inside, this is a plus b into a minus b. So obviously that can be a square minus b square. So which is, what is a square? X square. So x square minus 2 square, which is 4, is equal to 12. So value of x square is equal to 16. So what is the value of x then? It is 4. Excellent, guys. Hope you guys are clear with this question. Yeah, guys, clear? Excellent. Fine, guys. Here's the next question. Okay, guys, I'll give you guys a small clue over here. Listen carefully. Log of A plus log of B plus log of C is equal to log of A into B into C. Okay. Done. Now this is the only thing of a different format. So I'm going to write this as 25 square. Okay, so that would make it a lot easier. So now can I say this is equal to log of 200 into 40 into 25 square. What is 25 square? 625. Okay, fine guys. So that would give me log of 8,000 here. 8,000 into 625. Okay. So this itself is actually 8 into 10 cube. Because 8 into 1000, right? 8 into 10 cube. Now multiply 8 and 625 guys and proceed with the calculations and tell me what is the answer that you guys get. Very good, Harivardhani. Excellent. Because what do you get, guys? Because when you multiply these two, you get 5,000. So that would give me log of 10 cube into 5,000. So the log of 10 power 6 into 5. So now I can split them. Log of A into B, I can write this as log A plus log B. So log of 10 power 6 plus log of 5. Okay, what is log of 10 power 6? If I take 6 to the front, log 10 to the base 10 is actually 1. So this is 6 plus log 5. The answer is first option. Are you all clear with this question, everyone? Clear, everyone? Guys, please tell me. Okay. Okay, guys. Here's the next question. Come on. Okay, guys. So you guys obviously know how to do it. So log of 2 power 56. So that would be 56 into log 2. So what is log 2's value? We already know 56 into 0.3010. And when you multiply this, what do you guys get? What is 56 into 3, guys? What is 56 into 0.3010? What do you get? Very good. So isn't that 16.8 something? So 16 plus 1. So my answer is 17. Okay. Fine, guys. Super. Then we'll move on to the next question now. Okay. Super. Come on, students. Try this question. See, this is a simple question. Come on, you can do it on your own fast. Very good. Yes. Super. Very good. Very good, Dilip. So log of A plus log of B is equal to log of AB. So 2 3s are 6. So log of 6, that's all. Simple. Come on, guys. Now here's your next question. Sorry, cursor is hiding the question now. Hope the question is visible now. Very good. Superb, Harivardhani and Deepthi. Excellent, guys. So again, this is the concept of log A minus of log B would be equal to log of A by B. So the left hand side, I can rewrite this as log of 3x by 6 is equal to log 9. Okay, so 3x divided by 6 is equal to 9. The value of x is equal to 18. Excellent, guys. The answer is 18. Superb. Okay, guys. Now here's the next question. I'll give you guys a minute. Now this is easy only, but you have to think about it. Excellent. Superb, Harivardhani. Okay, so others is in here. So this is how this question is supposed to be done. Do you guys remember while looking at the rules of certain questions? So I would have taught you guys in the rule over here, and that rule would have been log of A to the base B can be rewritten as 1 by log of B to the base of A. Correct. So This one can be rewritten as log of 2 to the base of 50, log 2 to the base of 50 plus log 5 to the base of 50 plus log of 5 to the base of 50. Now, log of a plus b plus c is equal to log of a into b into c. 2 into 5 into 5. Log of 2 5 are 10, 10 5 are 50. Log 50 to the base 50. Log of any number to the base of same number will always be 1. So my answer is 1. Hope you guys are clear with this question. Shall we move on to the next one? Okay. Come on, guys, next question. Come on, guys, it's not a difficult question. Easy only. Log of 9 square by 9. That's all. So log of 9 square by log of 9. Simple. Very good, Harivardhan. Excellent, guys. Superb. See, log of 9 square, can I say that is equal to 2 into log of 9 divided by log 9. So log 9 gets cancelled. So my answer is 2. Which is not there in the option. So my answer is none of these. Excellent. Come on, guys, try this question now fast. Yes, very good. Deepti and Nitika Lani. Come on, guys. Here's the next question. Very good, guys. Superb then. Excellent. Yes, superb. What is the answer here? Okay. See, 125 power 50. So I can write this as 5 cube, the whole power 50. So which is actually 5 power 150. Okay. So if I take log, it becomes 150 into log 5. So 150 into log 5 is actually 150 into 0.6989. And when I multiply that, I get 104.8 something. So 104 plus 1. So my answer is 105 digits. Okay. Excellent, guys. Fine. Then we'll move on to the next question now. Superb. Very good. Harivardhani, Deepthi, Harita, and Nitya. Excellent. Come on, guys. Here's your next question. Very good. Excellent. Harivardhani and Nitya Kalani. Super base. So, guys, listen here. Others. How do we solve this question? So, can I write this as log of 285 into 100? So, this would become log of 285 plus log of 100. They see when there is no base value, it means the base value is 10. The base value is 10. So what is log 100 to the base 10? 10 power what number gives you 100? 2. So this is 2 plus log of 285. My answer is option D. Excellent, guys. Super. Then we'll move on to the next question right now. Here's your next question, guys. Come on, try this one. Come on, guys, think carefully. Is it option C? Very good, superb. Excellent, guys. Very good, yes. Very good, Mr. Kalyani. Very good, Harivardhani. Excellent. So, guys, listen here. How do we solve this question? So, 250 bar x is equal to 8. So, taking log on both sides, log of 8. So, x would come to the front. Correct? So, x into log of 250 is equal to log of 8. So, I can say x is equal to log 8 divided by log of 250. Okay, done. Now, see the numerator, I've got some value, but let's change the denominator and let's see if I'm able to find this one, able to get this one or this one. Okay, done. Okay, let's just worry about the denominator alone for a second. I'm not going to write the numerator part at all. The log of 250. So can I say this is actually log of 25 into 10? So this would actually be log of 10 plus log of 25. Okay. So what is log of 10? So this one's value is 1 because log 10 to the base 10 is 1. 1 plus this is log of 5 square. Okay, and then I can write it as 1 plus 2 log 5. So this becomes log 8 divided by 1 plus 2 log 5. The answer is option D. Yeah, guys, hope everyone's clear with this question. Shall we move on to the next one now? Excellent, super. Come on, guys, here's your next question. Come on, try this one fast. Yeah, guys, what is the answer here? Very good. Harivardhani, Deepthi and Nitya Kalyani. Superb. Very good, guys. So, log A plus 2 log A plus n log A. So it goes on like this. So which means, can I say this is actually the format of log A plus log of A square plus log of A cube. It goes on till log of A power n. Correct? Yes. Okay. Excellent, guys. Now, if it goes on like this, we know log of A plus log of A square plus log of A cube. If it goes on, I can take this as log of A into A square into A cube till A power n. This is n. Okay. Okay. Fine then. So mathematically speaking, I can write this as log of A power 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus it goes on till n. Okay. So how do I find this out? Log of A power sum of first n natural numbers. What is the formula, guys? N into n plus 1 by 2, which is there in my first option. Okay, guys, fine. Then we'll move on to the next question now. Here's your next question, guys. Come on, try this one. Yes, what about this question now? Or else you can solve this question logically also. Listen carefully. X should be a number which I can write it in 2 powers, 4 powers, and also in 8 power value. Because I am getting an integer number. The log value is integer, which means the x should be a perfect power of 2. It should be a power, some power of 4. It should also be some power of 8. So x should be one such number which I should be able to write in powers of 2, 4, or 8. Which of the following options can be written in that powers gauge? Tell me. Guys, out of the given options, which one I can write as 2 powers, 4 powers, and also 8 powers. 8 power value. See, for example, 8, I can write it as 2 cube. I can write it as 2 cube. But 4 power any number, I cannot get 8. 8 power 1, I get 8. But this is not possible. So it should be possible in all the 3 formats. So which one is possible like that? Very good. Akash, Deepthi, and Nitya Kalyani, Harita. Excellent. So 64 is one such number which is possible like that. For example, listen here. This one, I can write it as 2 power 6, I guess. And then also I can write it as 4 cube, or else I can write this as 8 square also. Okay. So this is the only number that I can write it in this format. So that way, if you add these numbers, see, 6 plus 3 plus 2, I get 11 too. Because if I have 64 as x, what is log 64 to the base 2? It is 6. What is log 64 to the base 4? It is 3. What is log 64 to the base 8? It is 2. When you add them, you get 11 also. My answer is 64. Okay, so this is one way of solving it. What is the actual way of solving it? Because remember, I told you, so log of a to the base b, I can write this as log of a divided by log of b with a common base c. Okay, so similarly, I can write this one as log of x divided by log 2 plus log of x divided by log 2 square, which is 4, plus log of x divided by log of 2 cube, which is 8. Correct. So this is equal to 11. Now, this 2 and this 3, I can bring it to the front. Now, if I take log of x divided by log 2 common, what will I have? 1 plus 1 by 2 plus 1 by 3 would be remaining, would be equal to 11. So what is 1 plus 1 by 2 plus 1 by 3? Let's look at it. 1 plus 1 by 2 plus 1 by 3. What is the LCM of the denominator? It is 6. I need 6 at the bottom. So 6 plus 3 plus 2, which is actually 11 by 6. So this value is actually equal to 11 by 6. So log of x divided by log of 2 into 11 by 6 is equal to 11. So log of x is equal to 6 log 2. So log of x is equal to log of 2 power 6. Log gets cancelled. X is equal to 2 power 6, which is 64. My answer is 64. Are you guys clear with the normal method also, guys? Everyone? Super. Anyways, here's your next question. We have solved a similar question earlier. Very good, Harivardhani and Deepthi, excellent guys. So listen here, this is again of the format log of A plus log of B. So I can write this as log of A into B. So if I multiply these two, okay, this will be of the format of A plus B. This is A minus B. So I can say log of A square minus B square is equal to log of 75. So x square minus 25 is equal to 75 because log gets cancelled. Okay, so x square is equal to 100 So what is the value of x then? X is equal to square root of 100. My answer is 10. Excellent, guys. Superb. We move on to the next question now. Here's the next question. Come on, guys, try this now. Fast. Guys, listen here. What is the expression that is written in this format? For example, listen here. Uh, y cube is 125. So how do I write this in terms of log? Log of 125 to the base 5 is equal to 3. Similarly, here this question says log of y to the base 64 is equal to 1.5. So which actually means 64 to the power 1.5 is equal to y. So what is 1.5? 64 power 3 by 2. So this is what I'm supposed to find out. What is the value of 64 power 3 by 2? That is the question, guys. That's all. Okay. How do I find out 64 power 3 by 2? Okay. Can I write this as 64 power 1 by 2? The whole cube. What is 64 power 1 by 2? The square root of 64. What is square root of 64? 8. What is 8 cube then? My answer is 512. Are you guys clear with this question now? Please tell me. Guys, is this question clear? Please tell me if you guys are clear. Excellent then. Okay, guys. We'll move on to the next question now. Here's our next question. Log 2 is written as A, log 9 is written as B. If that is the case, how should I write this one? Just take the innermost part. 4 into cube root of 72. 72, can I write this as 8 into 9? So this one can be written as 4 into cube root of 8 into cube root of 9. Cube root can be split. So what is cube root of 8? Which is 2. Okay, so this value is equal to 2. So 4 into 2 into cube root of 9. So can I say this 8 into cube root of 9? Okay, which is actually 2 cube, because 8 is 2 cube, into 9 power 1 by 3. Okay, so just take log in front because I missed out the log here, right? I'm supposed to take the log. Okay, so log of 2 cube into 9 power 1 by 3, which means log of 2 cube plus log of 9 power 1 by 3. So the power values will come to the front. 3 into log 2 plus 1 by 3 into log 9, which is 3a is 1 by 3b. Please tell me if you guys are clear, because I'm pretty sure you guys are clear after this. But before this part, are you guys clear with the part that I've written at the top? Yes. Very good. Here's the next question, guys. I guess I'll give you guys a clue also. For example, listen here. This is what I'm supposed to find out. 3.6. Can I write this as 36 by 10? Which is actually 9 into 4 divided by 10, which is actually 9 into 2 square divided by 10. That's all. Just take the log of it. So log of 9 into 2 square divided by 10, which is actually log of 9 plus log of 2 square minus log of 10. How is that so? Because multiplication becomes addition, division becomes subtraction. So log of 9, what is it? 0.954. Log of 2 square, the square value comes to the front. This becomes 2 into 0.3010 minus, what is log of 10? Log of 10 to the base 10 is 1. Come on, guys, do your math and tell me what is the answer here. Very super. The answer is option B, 555. Come on, guys, here's the next question. Very good, Harivardhani, excellent. So In this question, this is the format of log of A plus log of B plus log of C, which is actually equal to log of A into B into C. So I can write this one as log of x cube by yz into y cube by xz into z cube by xy, which is actually log of x cube y cube z cube divided by x square y square z square, which is actually log of x y z. So log x plus log y plus log z. So my answer is option B. Okay. Excellent, guys. Fine then. Come on, guys. Here's your next question. Come on, guys. It's a simple question. You guys can do it. Log 3 is known. Log 5 is known. Log 7 is known. How do I find out log 105? See, 105 is actually 3 into 5 into 7. Very good. Super. So this can be rewritten as log 3, log 5 plus log 7. So if I add all these three values, what do I get? My answer is 2.0212. Okay. Super, super, very good. Arivardhani, Deepti, Nitya, Kalyani. Excellent, guys. Okay, guys, fine then. Hope you guys are clear with all the questions that we have seen today. Super, guys, fine then. We'll end this session here. Okay, fine. We'll end this session. Bye, guys.
Thank you, sir.